All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to do the extreme precipitation tables that we use in HydroCAD for our 2-year, 10-year, 25-year, and 50-year rain events. So we had under the components folder, we have the aerial, and I think that's probably the best thing to use unless you know exactly where it is with Google Maps. So we're going to go to this website, which I will put a link in the description. And it's Extreme Precipitation in New York and New England. It's an interactive web tool. So we're going to go to Data Products. And this is just a pan and zoom kind of map. We know we're in Woodstock. So this is where we are here. We're going to zoom in. And this is where having a good aerial really helps. So I'm gonna kind of show this side by side so that we can try to figure out where we are. Okay, this is where we are. And the reason why I know that is you can see this power line here, and this pond, and this pond. Is this pond over here. So the general area that we're looking for is going to be right in here. So this is pretty easy. All I do is you're going to double click on the area that you want, and I'm going to just pick the center location of, how it's kind of shown on the aerial, like just maybe, just double click there. It's going to put a little marker, and all I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to print this just so that I have a map, because when I hit submit down here, it doesn't actually give me a map. So I like it to have a map as to know, where this data came from. So first thing we're going to do is just going to right click. We're going to hit print. I'm just going to create a very simple PDF. That's fine. One sheet, 8.5 by 11. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to put it into the Docs Permits AOT components. And I'm going to call it Extreme Precipitation. And I'm going to just call it map. Just so that I have a picture. And then once I've created that, I'm just going to hit submit. Once I hit submit, it produces this extreme precipitation tables. And these tables are basically, it's the rainfall during a 24-hour storm event for the 2-year, the 10-year, the 50-year. This is all what's going to be included in the report. It gives us the latitude and longitude of the actual point that I picked. So in this case, I'm just going to print, right click and print again. I'm going to try to get it. It looks like it's going to do it on one page, which is ideal. So you can scale it or make it fit just to get one sheet. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to call it same location, permits, AOT components, and I'm going to call it extreme precipitation table. And that's it. We're done.